These are the top 10 things about the Redragon M612 gaming mouse that you need to know. First, you can get it wired or wireless, so make sure you choose correctly, but I'd suggest staying with the wired version. It has 11 reassignable buttons, but that includes the standard scroll up and down, the scroll click, and the left and right buttons. Take away those 5 and there are really just 6 buttons. It has an 8000 DPI optical sensor with 5 redefinable on-the-fly DPI and color-coded adjustments. It has a high-quality paracord cable terminating into a USB-A connection. The front side button has tiny bumps for texture, while the back one is smooth, so you never mix them up, and both feel very solid, not squishy. The scroll wheel is quiet and has just the right feel. Next to the left button is a programmable rapid fire button. The left and right buttons are expected to last at least 10 million clicks. All buttons sound clean and solid without any springy sounds. The left button makes a deeper sound than the right. The thumb side grip is rubbery and has ribs for increased sensation. When you first open the box, you might not notice that there's plastic covering the skates. The surface is frosted, which means you get a good grip without smudges or fingerprints. If you're on a budget, this is a very good mouse. You could spend a lot more and do a lot worse. I'll definitely be keeping it in my inventory, and sorry, that was 14 things, not 10, and thanks for watching.